Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of cleaning the internal components of your Dell XPS P91F. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and thermal paste if you plan to replace it. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards while performing this cleaning. Next, remove the battery if your model allows for it. This will ensure safety during the cleaning process. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Make sure to put them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Begin by examining the fans and vents for dust buildup. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans. Hold the fan blades in place while doing this to avoid damaging them. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, inspect the heatsinks and ensure there's no dust obstructing airflow. If you notice significant dust accumulation, a more thorough cleaning may be required. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down any surfaces, ensuring you don't leave any fibers behind. If you need assistance, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. After cleaning the fans and heatsinks, check the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. If it looks dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Clean off the old thermal paste using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then apply a small amount of new thermal paste in the center of the CPU and GPU before reassembling the laptop. Now, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the back panel carefully and press it down until it snaps into place. Replace the screws, ensuring they're tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you have clarity on costs and services before making decisions. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Monitor the performance to ensure everything is running smoothly. Regular internal cleaning can significantly extend the lifespan of your laptop, improving performance and cooling efficiency. If you experience any issues or prefer a professional touch, reach out to us for assistance. We're here to help you keep your devices running at their best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.